Hey ladies, how are you? Jackie Best here, your Premier Designs jewelry stylist, jewelrywithjackie.com. Now last week we talked about one of our beautiful new turquoise necklaces, and I had mentioned this Spunky necklace and the Spunky set with the earrings and the ring. So I wanted to bring that to your attention today because it's a super delicate set, but you could totally amp it up for night out. So let's get to it right away. This is Spunky. So this is the necklace. It's a beautiful turquoise with a really pretty silver flower. It's a shorter necklace, does have a 4-inch removable extender, so you can kind of change the length there. And it's reversible, so it's all silver on the other side, more of a matte silver, not super shiny. And so I love that you have that tiny little change that you can make with the blue or the silver, because sometimes that blue doesn't match. Now the earrings are super pretty. They are the same blue and they reverse. So if you flip this off, you can actually just turn this around and it's that same flower in the silver. So again, if you wanted to wear the necklace with silver, but the earrings with gold with blue or vice versa, you could do that. And then boom, there is the ring. So the ring is not reversible. The ring is just the blue, but again, you could mix and match however you see fit for that, which I love. Now, a couple different ideas with this necklace of ways that you can kind of incorporate it with things that you already have. How many of you have our Dream Builder long necklace? This is one of my personal faves. I love to mix and match with it. Now, I actually had a jewelry event last night and I should have pulled this out because it is a little tangled, but that's what happens with our longer necklaces. Here we go. So I wanted to bring in the longest chain of Dream Builder because it's so pretty, and look how beautiful that looks when it's framed with that. I love to wear multiple necklaces to kind of give that layered look, so this is so beautiful to do that. Again, the long strand of our Dream Builder necklace. You could also put the different charms on there to make it really versatile. Another one that would be pretty if you wanted to wear it on the silver side instead of the turquoise, you could, come on, there we are. You could bring in our new Plum Perfection necklace, which is really beautiful and brings in those beautiful purples and silvers. This is a long necklace. It looks heavy because it almost looks like glass, but it's actually acrylic, so it's very lightweight. And again, just helps frame it and make it more of a long and lean look, bringing in a little bit of a different color. Couple earrings that I would recommend with this. First of all, a couple hoops, because you know I love my hoops. These are our glitz earrings. They actually came out last holiday season, but I just love them. They're a hoop, but they do have little pieces on the bottom that are sparkly. So we love a little bit of sparkle. Those are glitz. Also our Giddy earrings, which are a personal favorite. We've always had the gold Giddy earrings, but we just came out with the silver Giddy earrings, which are stunning and super sparkly and lightweight. So I would love to put those with that as well. And then as always, I always recommend our social hoops. I just think they're so beautiful and lightweight and easy to wear if you wanted more of a statement look. I also thought really cute with this monkey necklace would be our coconut earrings, because they're small, and if you wanted to wear an earring that didn't bring on the blue, you can wear this with the beautiful ivory fringe. So those are our coconut earrings. I thought those would be so cute as well. As far as a bracelet, you could definitely do our Infinite Bliss in silver, which is a very basic, easy to wear, sleek look. But I also wanted to bring in, because of the more matte look, our brand new Esther 414 bracelet. So this says, perhaps this is the moment for which you have been created, and then Esther 414 on the back. And because this is a more simple, a more casual necklace with a little more of the matte silver, sometimes a more matte bracelet is a little nice to kind of bring in that casual look. So I hope you guys enjoyed the Spunky set. I think you could definitely mix and match any of the pieces, the necklace, the earrings, or the ring, with all of our other pieces in Premier. If you'd like to see any of these pieces, you can always go to jewelrywithjackie.com 24/7. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And as always, be blessed.